hydrogen, heavy hydrogen and heavy water. Introduction. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Similarity with alkali metals, similarity with halogens. Preparation. Industrial preparation of hydrogen, physical properties, chemical properties. Nascent hydrogen, atomic hydrogen, active hydrogen, ortho and para hydrogen. Accumulated hydrogen, accumulated hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen. Preparation of deuterium or heavy hydrogen, heavy water, D2O or deuterium oxide, water H2O and hydrogen peroxide H2O2, water H2O. Occurrence: natural waters, hard and soft waters. Hardness of waters, degree of hardness, removal of temporary hardness. Physical properties, chemical properties and compositions. Next, hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Occurrence, method of preparations, concentration of dilute solution of hydrogen peroxide. Physical properties, chemical properties, test, constitution of H2O2, strength of hydrogen peroxide usage. A study of the carbon groups of elements. Periodic discussion. Carbon, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, fuel gases, some useful property, carbides, silicon, silicones. Next, a study of the nitrogen group of elements. Periodic discussion. Nitrogen, its preparation, properties and uses. Ammonia, its preparation, properties and uses and structures. Nitric acid, preparation, properties, uses, structure. Nitrous acid, preparation, properties, structure and uses. Nitrous oxide N2O. Nitric oxide NO. Other oxides of nitrogen. Phosphorus, preparation, properties, structure and usage. Phosphine, preparation, properties, structure and uses. Phosphorus trioxide P4O6. Phosphorus pentaoxide P2O10 or P2O5. Phosphorus trichloride PCl3. Phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. Sodium hexametaphosphate, which is also called Calgon. Na2 Na4PO24 microcosmic salt. Hydrogen phosphate NaNaH4HPO4. Sodium ammonium hydrogen phosphate. Next, a study of the oxygen group of elements. Periodic discussion. Oxygen, preparation, properties, structure, its usage and classification of oxides. Ozone, preparation, properties, structure and its uses. Sulfur, allotropic forms, preparation, properties, structure and uses. Hydrogen sulfide, preparation, properties, structure and uses. Sulfur dioxide, preparation, properties and uses. Sulfuric acid, preparation, properties and uses. Oxyacids of sulfur. Some electronic structure of sulfur compounds. A study of elements of halogen family. Introduction. Position in the periodic table. Fluorine. Preparation, properties, usage and structure. Chlorine. Properties, preparation, structure and usage. Bromine. Preparation, properties, structure and usage. Iodine. Preparation, properties, structure and usage. Comparison of the properties of halogens. Hydrogen chloride. Preparation, properties, usage and structure. Hydrogen bromide. Preparation, properties, structure and usage. Hydrogen iodide. Preparation, structure, properties and usage. Comparison of halogen acids. Distinction between chlorides, bromide and iodides. Method and general metallurgical operations. Metals and non-metals. Occurrence of metals. Metals and their potent minerals or ores. Terms and metallurgy. Calcination, roasting, smelting, flux, slag, gangue or matrix. Mineral wealth of India. Metallurgy. Method employed in the concentration of the ores. General principle of metallurgy. Extraction of metals. Classification of metallurgical process. Metal extraction techniques. Refining of metals. Furnaces and metallurgy. Compound of metals. Oxides, hydroxides, carbonates, chlorides, sulfide, sulfate, nitrate or nitrates of metals.